Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to delete green screen in CapCut or how to remove green screen in CapCut. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So I have imported two footages. The first one is the green screen footage of a white border and the second one is the background image. So in order to show you the green screen, so I have imported first the background to the timeline. So after successfully importing the background to the timeline, I'm just changing the duration. Now we have to simply add the green screen footage where we want to add. So after adding the footage which contains green screen, now you guys can see it has two things. The first one is the object and second one is the background which is green. So you guys have to simply go to this remove BG section on the video section. So after coming to this remove BG section, now you guys have to just simply check the mark of the chroma key. So after checking the mark, now you guys have to just simply select the color picker which is here. So after selecting that, now you have to simply place it to the background where you want to change. So we have to simply change the green background. So we have to just simply place it to the green. So after selecting that, it will provide you two menus. The first one is intensity and second one is shadow. So you guys have to simply increase the intensity slightly until your green screen will be removed. Now you guys can see just simply sliding down the little bit, our green screen has been removed, and here it is. You guys can adjust according to your needs. If your intensity doesn't working, you guys can adjust the shadow in order to remove the green screen clearly or perfectly. So after adjusting that, you guys have to simply adjust the selected clip or footage, and here it is. So I hope these methods find you well. To like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.